Hey, Thought Palace friends, the self-portrait, a calling card, ability to capture a likeness or the life surroundings of an artist and how they push without limits, or how they strengthen a creative point of view. For me, I think of the saying, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Or better yet, beauty cannot be judged objectively, for what one person finds beautiful or admirable may not appeal to another. But for me, a self-portrait is capturing a moment and a simple time where one can reflect on oneself. And for me, a self portrait is capturing kindness, calm, quietness, and a reflection of what is to come. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you soon. Hey, Thought Pilot friends, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, it is near and dear to this artist's heart. I'm still working on my other acrylic painting. It's going to take quite some time, but I promise you I will have a very cool video for you. Once it is done, I'll have a start to finish one. And just stay tuned for a bonus clip at the end of this video. And as always, with creativity and imagination, there are possibilities. So until next thought, make art always. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.